Hey everyone, Dennis out here in San Antonio, Texas. We are here at our latest acquisition in Lackland Terrace. We're pretty excited about it. We spent $80,000 to purchase this home. We're gonna put in roughly $20,000 on this project and we're gonna resell it for $140,000. So it's a good little gross profit deal. It's not gonna take us long. It's gonna be back on the market with a turnaround time of 3 to 4 weeks. So come on in, let's check it out. All right, so coming in the front door, we had a wall right in front of us. So it looked very small, very dark. So the first thing we did was we knocked down the wall, took out the fur down that was above in the kitchen. We're gonna open this whole house up, add a bunch of can lights, make it super bright so when people walk on, flip on that switch, they get excited and they feel the love in here. Next, coming into the kitchen area, we have old countertops, some goofed up cabinets. So what we're gonna do is refinish the cabinet doors, repaint them, refinish them, add some granite. We're adding all new electrical to the house by my boys here at Soleil Electrical. So they're gonna knock this out and make it beautiful like brand new. So there is absolutely no electrical problems. And one thing that we noticed here when we came, they had a little fridge out back with no fridge inside. So we can't have that putting it back on the market. So we're gonna have a lot of cabinet space. So the fridge, we're gonna cut this out and we're gonna put a fridge tucked back right in here so you can still have your nice little kitchenette area. And then you have your formal dining, a great open kitchen concept into your living room. The next, we have one bathroom in this house, so the shower was not gonna cut it. So as you come into the bathroom, it had tiles all the way up the wall, so we ripped everything out and we're gonna start fresh. We're gonna take this shower out, we're gonna put in a tub, so in case a family has children, they wanna do baths and that sort of thing, it's important to have a tub in a one bath house. So we're gonna have brand new kitchen, or a brand new bathroom, and then over here, we're gonna build a wall and build the modern style shelves for the towels and things like that. If they want, they can put a door on to hide all that stuff. Right here is the AC unit, but there's no AC unit in there. It's old, it's from 40 years ago, so we're gonna take out the HVAC, put in a brand new HVAC system. And then we have 3 bedrooms at this property. The old owner, the son was an artist, so he did lots of painting in here. This is probably one of my favorite paintings. This dude is just so happy with his red tie on for power. Then over here are bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. More good artwork done. It's an exciting house. We're super excited to be flipping this house. And it's a really great, smaller project to be working on in January. So there it is, guys. We wanted to show you the beginning stages of what a project looks like. We're gonna be back here to revisit in a couple weeks, and then we'll show you the finished product. So if you're ready to do some fixer-uppers, make sure to do it right, buy it at the right price so you have the right amount in for rehab, and we'll be updated in a couple weeks. Have a good day, guys.